Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Emmitsburg Local and Long Distance Movers. Near me, in Emmitsburg, our long-distance moving services are designed to cater to various needs. We offer climate-controlled transportation for sensitive items and specialized packing for delicate belongings. Our team's efficient and careful handling guarantees a stress-free moving experience, making your relocation seamless. Emmitsburg, with its blend of history and natural beauty, calls for a moving service that's equally respectful and efficient. Our services in Emmitsburg include specialized packing for antiques, secure transportation of household goods, efficient residential moves, tailored office relocation services, and customized moving plans for special requirements. Trust us to make your move in Emmitsburg as historic and seamless as the town itself. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Emmitsburg moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.